Okay. Sorry that the video cut out. Let's finish this. So here I was multiplying 4 by 372, and we get 1,488. Okay, I now can subtract the equations. I want to cancel out the 4's, so I'm going to subtract here. 12 minus 24 is negative 12. Use your calculator so that you don't make any mistakes with your negatives. 780 minus 1,488 is negative 708. Now remember, we are trying to find how many kids can fit on a bus, so it wouldn't make sense if we had a negative answer. So I'm going to take negative 708 and divide that by negative 12, and I've got 59. Okay, so that's just half the answer, so that's how many fit on a bus. We need to plug that back in, so 1v plus 6b equals 372. I've got to find how many in a van. So I'm plugging in 59. 6 times 59 is 354. Subtract 354 from 372. Go to my calculator so I don't make any small mistakes. 18, right? And that would make sense. You're going to have a number much smaller than what would fit on a bus to fit in those caravans. Let's check our work. So the check is only going to work for us assuming that our equations that we put together were correct. So if we made the mistake right from the get-go, mixing up these equations, our check might say our work is all done correctly, but if our mistake was up in here or in the other equation, then it's not going to catch it. Let's see, 4 times 18 plus 12 times 59. We're looking for 780. I'm going to go to my calculator. We're going to keep this simple. So 4 times 18 plus 12 times 59 should give me 780. And it did. Nice job. Okay. 780 equals 780. My check worked. All right. Pause and do 6 and 7 on your own. You will find a solution for each one. Also, when we do this at our level, we usually get whole number answers. If we don't, it might be a nice fraction like a 1/2 or 3/4. Next year, you're going to look more at getting those decimal answers, and you'll be able to do that on your calculator as well when you graph. So when you do this, you're going to get whole number answers. You're going to find one solution. Okay. All right. Here's our answers. So 6, our solution, x equals 8, y equals -1. Now, if you decided to multiply by a 3 and cancel out your 15s, that's still correct. Your work is just going to look a little different. And 7, we had to multiply both of them here. I chose to cancel out the y's, so if you chose to cancel out the x's, your work is going to look a little different, but your answer should should be the same. X is -2 and y is -4. Okay, guys, thanks for joining me.